में कन्वर्ट होता है, that we need to study. Okay, and the transformations, it is the science, not so much of the 100 elements. Means till now what you have studied, that is total 118 elements are there in the modern periodic table. But then it is not so the study of just only 100 molecules. It is the infinite variety of the molecules, okay, still which are forming. कुछ नए compound daily by daily generate होते रहते हैं. Okay, so that study is considered to be the science or the chemistry specifically. Okay, it is not the just you can say the study of 100 molecules or the 100 elements. Okay, so it is beyond it. Okay, उससे बढ़कर है. This was the sentence which has been given by Raoul Hoffman. Okay, now let us start the chapter. Science can be viewed as a continuing human effort to systematize the knowledge for describing and understanding the nature. Generally, see, if I ask the question that why we used to study the science, then the major thing, the major logical answer is to continuing the human effort to systematize the knowledge for describing and understanding the nature. The surrounding of us, if you see, okay, like surrounding of me, there is a globe you can see over here. The space is same. Okay, the surrounding of you, the earth is there, the global earth is there. Okay, the nature is there. So in the nature, if you wanted to understand the few phenomena, कुछ प्रोसेस फिनोमिना को समझने के लिए समझ तो रहे बट logically, okay, based on the certain systematic approach. Okay, whatever the knowledge we have it, by using that knowledge, if you understand it, okay, then for to understand the nature in a better way, we required to study the science. Okay, then you have learned in your previous classes that we came across the diverse substances present in the nature and changes in them in daily life. So in the previous classes, means 9th and 10th, okay, although in 8th also you have studied, but not into the greater detail. 9th and 10th, you have studied the basics of chemistry, okay. So there are few examples from the previous classes or from the surrounding of us where chemistry is involved, जहाँ पे chemistry का involvement है, that will be considering. Let us say the first one, curd formation from milk. Okay, curd formation from milk. After that, the second example, there is a formation of vinegar from the sugarcane juice. From that, we used to prepare a vinegar. Okay. Then, now vinegar is what? About vinegar, I will tell you the one thing. The formula of vinegar is CH3COOH. Okay, the formula of vinegar is CH3COOH. You can write it. See, I am writing CH3COOH. Okay, CH3COOH. The formula of vinegar. Once again, CH3COOH. It is also known as, इसका दूसरा नाम है एसिटिक एसिड. शायद आपको बहुत छोटा दिख रहा होगा. ओके, द नॉट विच आई एम राइटिंग टुगेदर, पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ साथ में CH3COOH, द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ विनेगर. उसका केमिकल नेम है एसिटिक एसिड. ओके, देन द फंक्शनल ग्रुप, उसके अंदर कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, तो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ठीक है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। रुकिए मैं थोड़ा बड़ा कर देता हूँ so that you can see, but then handwriting is smaller only. Then you can see this, the note which I have posted in between. Acetic acid, the chemical formula is CH3CHH. The chemical name is acetic acid. Okay, and the functional group जो उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है that is carboxylic acid. ठीक है, 10 स्टैंडर्ड उसमें ऑलरेडी आप ये पढ़े। ओके, चलिए, so from the sugar cane juice you can convert them into the vinegar. How? By prolonged time and rusting of iron are some of the examples. देखो कुछ example है. The first one, where chemistry is involved, the conversion of milk into the curd. Second one, that is sugar cane juice to vinegar. Then rusting of an iron. Okay, these are the three chemical changes. अगर बच्चों आपको याद हो 10th standard chapter number 1, first page of the chapter, there they have identified, they were asking you to identify the changes. आपको changes को identify करने थे कि physical changes है या फिर chemical changes है। ठीक है, so this is where the chemistry is involved in basically. Okay, maybe because of the internet issue it is taking. Okay, don't worry about it. ओके, इंटरनेट के इश्यू की वजह से शायद बीच में स्टॉप हो रहा है, आपको सुनने में दिक्कत हो रही होगी मे बी। ओके, बट देन दिस इज व्हाट द ओवरऑल आइडिया अबाउट द केमिस्ट्री। ओके, even the few other example of the subject of science, that is physics, biology, geology, so there also the chemistry is going to help you. Okay, अभी देखो at 12 to 1 और एक सेशन में कंडक्ट करूंगा 12 to 1। अभी नीट के टॉपिक्स तो हमारे कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं हुए। ओके, बट देन यही चैप्टर्स हम कंटिन्यूस में करेंगे। ठीक है, ताकि थोड़े बहुत सेशन हम पीछे जो है वो हम कंटिन्यू कर सकें। ठीक है, चलिए, इसमें किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो। Any doubt is there, then you can send message. Okay, and if no doubt, then you can send no